Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 2.7 of chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals. So now I'll solve question number 5, and question number 5 is 7 divided by 3.5. So first we'll write 7 divided by 3.5 will change to 35 upon 10. So now this divide sign will change to multiply sign. So we will write now 7 multiplied by, now we will do the reciprocal of 35 upon 10. So the reciprocal of 35 upon 10 is 10 upon 35. 10 upon 35. No, not here. Yeah. So now we can cancel out 7 and 35. So 7 will cut to by 1 and 35 will cut to by 5. Okay. So our fraction will be 10 upon 5. Okay. So now this 2 can be also cancel out by 2. Okay. 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5, and 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. Okay. So problem solved. So 2 is the answer of first beat. Okay. So let me mark the answer. Yeah. 2 is the real answer. So let's proceed to second bit. So friends, second bit is 36 divided by 0.2. So first we'll write 36 divided by 0.2 will change to 2 upon 10. So now this divide sign will change to multiply sign. 36 multiplied by, the reciprocal of 2 upon 10 is 10 upon 2. Oh sorry, 2. Okay. So now 2 and 36 can be cancelled out. Okay. 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2, and 2 multiplied by 18, that is equal to 36. Okay. So we will write 18 multiplied by 10, because here is only 1 remaining. Okay. So 1 does not have any value, so no need of writing 1. Okay. So 18 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 180. Okay. So 180 is the answer of second beat. Okay. So let's proceed to third beat. So friends, third beat is 3.25 divided by 0.5. So first we'll write 325 upon, here are 2 digits after the decimal point, so we'll write 100. Okay, because 100 have 2 zeros. 325 upon 100 divided by 0.5 will change to 5 upon 10. Okay, 5 upon 10. So now this divide sign will change to multiply sign. So we'll write 325 upon 100 multiplied by, the reciprocal of 5 upon 10 is 10 upon 5. Okay. So now we can cancel out the zeros. 10 is having 1 0, and we will remove 1 0 from 100. Okay. So it will be 325 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Okay. So now we will write, no, now we will cancel out 5 and 325. So now how can we cancel out this 325 and 5? By dividing both the numbers. 325 divided by 5, that is equal to 65. Okay. So 65 upon 10, and here is only 1 upon 1. So as we all know that 1 does not have any value, so no need of writing 1. So simply you can see that our answer is 6.5. Okay, so 6.5 is the answer of third beat. So let me mark the answer. Yeah, here is the answer. Please note it down. So let's proceed to fourth beat. So friends, fourth beat is 30.94 divided by 0.7. So first we'll write 3094 upon 100 divided by 0.7 will change to 7 upon 10. Okay. So now this divide sign will change to multiply sign. So 3094 upon 100, sorry, 100 multiplied by reciprocal of 7 upon 10 is 10 upon 7. Okay, that is equal to what? So now we will cut the zeros, the 0 of 10 and 1 0 of 100. Okay, and the result will be 3094 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 7. Okay, so now 7 and 3094 can be cancelled out. Just divide this both numbers. So yes, this both number can be cancelled out. How? 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7, and 7 multiplied by 442, that is equal to 3094. Okay, so we will write 442 upon 10. Okay, because here is 1 upon 1, so no need of writing it. So this will equal to 4 point, sorry, 44.2. Okay, because here is only 1 0. So we will remove one digit from right hand side. Okay, so the answer of fourth bit will be 44.2. Okay, so friends, let's proceed to fifth bit. So friends, fifth bit is 0.5 divided by 0.25. Okay, so first we'll write 5 upon 10. Oh, where is it? Yeah, here it is. So first we'll write 5 upon 10 divide by 0.25. That means 25 upon 100, right? So now we'll write 5 upon 10, and division sign will change to multiply sign, and the reciprocal of 25 upon 100 is 100 upon 25. Okay, so now this 10 and 100 can be cancelled out. This we will cut 1 0 from 10 and 1 0 from 100. So the result will be 5 upon 1 multiplied by 10 upon 25. Okay, so now we can cut 5 and 25. 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5, and 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. So this will remain 1, so no need to write 1. Now we will write 10 upon 5. Okay, so our answer will be this 5 and 10 can be cancelled out. Yes, can be cancelled out by 2. Okay, 2. So the answer of fifth bit will be 2. Okay, So let me highlight or show you the answer. Yeah. So let's proceed to sixth beat. So friends, sixth bit is 7.75 divided by 0.25. Okay. So now we will write 775 upon 100, 100 divide by 0.25. That means 25 upon 100. Right? Yeah. So now this division sign will change to multiply sign. So 775 upon 100 multiplied by the reciprocal of 25 upon 100 is 100 upon 25. Okay, so now this both 100 and 100 can cancel out, and here 775 divided by 25, that is equal to how much? That is equal to 31. Okay, so first we will go step by step. So 775 upon 1 multiplied by, or no need to write 1, 775 multiplied by 1 upon 25. Okay, so now these two can be cancelled out, 25 and 775. So that is equal to 31. Okay, 25 multiplied by 1, that is 25, and 25 multiplied by 31, that is equal to 775. Okay, so the answer of sixth beat is 31. Okay, 31. Right. So friends, let's move to seventh beat. So friends, seventh beat is 76.5 divided by 0.15. So first we'll write 765 upon 10 divide by 15 upon, here are two digits after the decimal point, so this will be 100. So now we will change the decimal sign to multiplication sign. So 765 upon 10, 765 upon 10 multiplied by the reciprocal of 15 upon 100 is 100 upon 15, right? So now we will cut 1 0 from 10 and 1 0 from 100. So this will be 765 upon 1, or 765 multiplied by 10 upon 15. Well, yeah, 15. So now 765 can be cancelled out by 15. Yeah, in 51 times. Okay, so 15 multiplied by 1, that is 15, and 15 multiplied by 51, that is equal to 765. So we will write 51 multiplied by 10, because 10 is remaining. So our answer will be 510. Okay. Mm, yeah. So 510 is the answer of seventh beat. So let's proceed to eighth beat. So friends, eighth beat is 37.8 divided by 1.4. So now we'll write 378 upon 10 divide by divide by 14 upon 10. Okay, so now we will change this decimal point to multiplication for sign. So right now 378 upon 10 multiplied by 40, the Reciprocal of 14 upon 10 is equal to 10 upon 14. Okay. So now we can cancel out this 10 and 10. So simply we can write that 378 multiplied by 1 upon 14. Okay. So let's see that 378 can be divisible by 14. Yeah, this 378 is divisible by 14. In how many times? 27 times. 14 multiplied by 27, that is equal to 378. So this will be 27. Okay. So 27 is the answer of 8th beat. So friends, let's proceed to ninth beat. So friends, ninth beat is 2.73 divided by 1.3. So first we'll write 273 upon 100 divided by 13 point, 13 upon 10. Okay. So now this divide sign will change to multiply sign. So 273 upon 100 multiplied by 13 upon 10. Okay. So now we will do the reciprocal of 13 upon 10. Okay. So let's do. So the reciprocal of 13 upon 10 is 10 upon 13. Okay. So now this 1 0 of 10 and 1 0 of 100 can be cancelled out. So the result will be 273 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 13. Yeah, 13. So 13 and 273 can be cancelled out. Yes, 273 and 13 can be cancelled out by 21 time. Okay, 13 multiplied by 21, that is equal to 273. Okay, so 21 upon 10. So if there is 21 upon 10, so we will leave one digit from right hand side. Okay, so if we are leaving one digit from right hand side, because here is 10, 10 is having only one zero, so we will leave one digit from left right hand side. So our answer will be 2.1. Okay. So so 2.1 is the answer of ninth beat. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.